This guide will walk you through the process of creating an invoice and collecting payment using AccessPro. Log into the system with the respective login credentials. Go to the Sales module. Select the respective cost center for invoicing. Enter the token or mobile of the customer and click on Find button or select the customer from the customer list here. Fill all the required columns. Select the invoice item from the drop-down. Select the government account. Enter the government fee in this column. Fill all the required columns. Click on the Add Item button. Click on Add Item for adding an additional item. Click on Place Invoice to place an invoice. The following message will appear if the invoice creation is completed. Now for collecting the payment. Go to the Sales module. Click on Cashier Dashboard. Call the respective token, Customer. Click on Pay Now. Select the payment method and click on Proceed to Pay. The invoice will be shown in the following format. This guide covered the step-by-step instructions for creating invoices and collecting payments in AccessPro ERP.